Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday, pressured by food and staples retailing, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, as well as tech, hardware and equipment sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims increasing to 265,000 in the week ended October 29th, continuing claims decreasing to 2.03 million in the week ended October 22nd. Also, factory orders increasing 0.3% in September, while durable goods orders in September decreasing by 0.3% in a final estimate. All of this combined to see decliners ahead of advancers, 57% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Qorvo reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of $1.29, this versus $1.22 last year, with revenues of $864 million. Starbucks announcing that its fourth quarter EPS increased 26% year over year to 54 cents on revenue being $5.71 billion. That's up 16.2%. And Activision Blizzard saying that its third quarter EPS of 26 cents came in better than the previous read of 17 cents in the previous year period. Revenue up at $1.57 billion. That's a gain of 58%. Turning overseas now, Asian markets in the red. The Nikkei down 1.34%. The Hang Seng closing 0.18% in the red. China's CSI 300 down 0.32%, while South Korea's Kospi down 0.09%. European markets continuing to drop, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations for this Friday, Duke Energy third quarter EPS seen at $1.57. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals third quarter EPS seen at $2.68, while Humana third quarter EPS seen at $3.02. And turning over to the economic docket, there is a ton of jobs reports. 8:30 in the morning, September trade balance. We also had the October change in non-farm payrolls, the change in private payrolls, the change in the unemployment rate, if there is one, as well as the average hourly earnings for the month of October. All at 8:30. The SP 500, meanwhile, seeing a period of consolidation. The relative strength index, that's bearish and calling for further downside. Short positions below 2,099 are favored, with targets at 2,066 and 2,055 in extension. The Nasdaq also seeing consolidation, preferring short positions below 4730, and the Dow Jones seeing consolidation as well, preferring short positions below 17,940.